Hey, what it is, YouTube? Happy Friday, man. Today is Friday, man, week before Christmas, fam. So I hope y'all done our Christmas shopping. Today I will be doing a review and an unboxing on the shoe really quick. I'm actually supposed to be at work, man. You know what I'm saying? Looking festive. But today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and review on a sneaker that dropped yesterday that the resale ain't that bad, and it's a very dope sneaker in my opinion. Shout out to Finish Line for this assist on the reservation, man. If you're interested in getting it for somebody for Christmas, maybe this video will persuade you to pull that trigger, you feel what I'm saying, for a decent price. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right off into it.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.
All right, first things first, man, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment on this video, head over to IG, follow your boy on IG, do all those great things. All right, so you guys can see right here, it's a Nike box. You see that orange and white Nike right here? We're gonna flip this thing up like this, and we got the Nike Dunk Low Retro, black, Goldenrod, white. Retail is 100, in that box is nothing. And then we got, bam, the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod, man. Very dope sneaker, very dope colorway in my opinion. Resale is not that bad, so y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. You see right here, we got the standard Dunk Low, but we do have that not great leather, but it's okay. You feel what I'm saying? It's okay leather, but we have like that gold toe color blocking right here. You got the black toe box, you got your Goldenrod Nike swoosh with the black side paneling. You got your gold laces, and I think black laces would be actually firing this. The bumblebee joints, you got that Nike on the booty. Not sure what that is, I don't know. You got your white outsole with your gold on the bottom, and then on the inside of the shoe is the exact same thing. So yeah, man, y'all let me know, what do y'all think as they sit on this whip? You feel what I'm saying? The Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod. Like I said, the resale is not that bad. On the inside of the sneaker, we do that at Nike Air. We got that Nike on the tongue. Yeah, man. But y'all let me know down below. How do y'all feel about these things? Are these a shoe? Is this a shoe that you have to have in your collection? Or you know what? With all the heat dropping, are you guys just gonna wait? Y'all let me know below, man. Just something quick for you. If you're thinking about picking up this shoe, I'm gonna say go ahead and pull that trigger, because it's not a bad sneaker. Got you guys here. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm rocking on feet for work today. Y'all see what it is. We got them holiday festivity ones, man. Very dope sneaker. A lot of people didn't like the leather on this shoe, but hey, dope in my opinion, man. Rock what you like, right? Hey, it's a wrap, you guys. That's all I got for you. Just wanted to show you the shoe. You guys let me know what you think. Hold on, let me pick this thing up. Hold up. What do you guys think about the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrods, man? Let me know if you was able to hit on them. Let me know if it's a shoe that you gotta have in your collection. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Hey, y'all be safe out there Christmas shopping. Happy holidays, man. Hey, don't be a Grinch. You feel what I'm saying? Go out there and enjoy this time. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes we talk about, this sneaker right here, that one right there, man, it's just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Peace.
No synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.